Global happenings today. We communicate, we analyze global news. Stay tuned.
Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back to Global Happenings Today YouTube channel. Finally, the much awaited appeal from Peter Obi's legal team is out. Yes, they have decided to, that's Peter Obi and Labour Party have decided to file a 51 grounds of appeal against the PEPC, that's Presidential Election Petition Court judgment at Supreme Court. Number one, we're going to find out what it is. And of course, some few hours ago, Mobad has been trending, RIP to Mobad, and the likes of Rena Onkri literally dragged Peter Obi into the center of it all. Well, it looks like Peter Obi is one man of the moment. He had to lend a voice on the matter. But before we go into the news proper, kindly subscribe to our channel by clicking on the red subscribe button beside it. You see about notification icon. Please go ahead, click on it to get notified as soon as we update our channel on YouTube. Now, the presidential candidate of the Labour Party LP in the February 25th general elections, Peter Obi, has filed a 51 grounds of appeal before the Supreme Court seeking the nullification of judgment of the Presidential Election Petition Court and the election of President Bola Tinubu. Now, in his notice of appeal, Obi and his Labour Party team of lawyers led by Liva Ozoko, Senior Advocate of Nigeria, SAN, said the Presidential Election Petitions Court erred in law and thereby reached a wrong conclusion when it dismissed the petition he lodged to challenge the outcome of the presidential election. He maintained that the 5-member panel of tribunal led by Justice Haruna Samani carried out a miscarriage of justice against him when it held that he did not specify polling units where irregularities occurred during the election. And of course, now they urged the Supreme Court to set aside the PEPT judgment. Let me read the paper, the notice of appeal. It said the Supreme Court of Nigeria holding at Abuja in the matter of the election to the office of the President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria held on the 25th day of February 2023. Petition number CA/PEPC/03/2023 between Mr. Peter Gregory Obi, 2 Labour Party, which are the appellant, then, and the respondents being Independent National Electoral Commission 1, Senator Bola Ahmed Tinubu 2, Senator Shetima Kashim 3, and 4, All Progressive Congress APC. Now, this is notice of appeal. Take notice that the appellant being dissatisfied with the decision in petition number CA/PEPC/03/2023, Mr. Peter Gregory Obi and Honor versus Independent National Electoral Commission or ORS consolidated with election petition number CA/PEPC/04/2023 and CA/PEPC/05/2023 contained in pages 3 to 327 of the judgment of the Court of Appeal sitting at the Presidential Election Petition Court holding at Abuja, Quorum HS Tissemani, Stephen Jonah Ada, Mistura Omodere Bolaji Yusuf, Bola Kurama Moses Ugo, and Abba Bello Mohammed JJCA of the court below delivered on the 6th day of September 2023, and more particularly stated in paragraph 2 of this notice of appeal, do hereby appeal to the Supreme Court on particularly stated in paragraph 2 of this notice of appeal, do hereby appeal to the Supreme Court on the grounds set out in paragraph 3 and will at the hearing of the appeal seek the reliefs sought in paragraph 4 hearing. It's quite a big one, but this is quite a summary. And for Atiku Abubakar, his was actually 39, Peter Obi 51 ground. These guys are not joking. Of course, let's quickly find out what Peter Obi said about Mobad. Don't forget, some few hours ago, Reno Uncle couldn't even hold it and was insisting that Peter Obi, what's going on? Peter Obi must say something about Mobad. Well, he's a good man and he has said to lend a voice to the case. Now, Peter Obi, the presidential flag bearer of Labour Party, expressed sadness over the death of Ilarioluwa Oladimeji Aloba, more popularly known as Mobad. Now, recall that Mobad had died under controversial circumstances last Tuesday and was hurriedly buried by his family on Wednesday of the same week. Now, the singer's death has drawn condemnation on and off social media, with the police, Lagos State government, and the Department of State Services (DSS) probing what led to Mobad's death. Now, in a short statement on his social media handle today, Peter Obi urged security agencies to leave no stone unturned in unraveling the circumstances leading to Mobad's untimely death. He wrote, and I quote, "On behalf of my family, I condone with the mother and entire family of Ilarioluwa Oladimeji Aloba Mobad over his painful demise. I know how difficult it is for parents to lose a child, especially one with such a promising future, as I urge the government and the security agencies to probe the circumstances that led to his untimely demise and to leave no stone unturned in unraveling the circumstances surrounding his death. With his demise, the nation has lost a promising talent in our growing music and entertainment industry. I pray God to grant him eternal rest and grant his parents, family, and teaming fans the fortitude to bear his irreplaceable loss." R.I.P. Mobad. I didn't know you, but then you've created a lot of impact on social media. A lot of celebrities, the likes of Obo, Davido, and the likes have been speaking strongly on this matter. I pray he gets justice, even in death. Okay, but let's find out really what Nigerians are saying concerning a 51 gram charge. This one is strong. Is there any new things they added? I can assure you, Peter Obi's legal team are watertight. But the question is, will they get justice? Well, let's see what Nigerians are saying. This one here says, Peter Obi did not even win the election. All the elites know this, even Wole Soyinka. Becoming Dana. It's a personal opinion. Another person here says, your lawyers still have interest in eating your money. I believe most people want him to get to the final stages to know how Supreme Court will interpret this particular case. If you ask me, it's for posterity's sake, for constitution's sake, because whatever it is Supreme Court pronounces will now become a precedent, now become a point of reference always. History is beckoning. Question is, what will be known or remembered for is what matters in Nigerian history, as Nigeria is taking turn to do what I feel may be right or wrong, depending of how the verdict will eventually play out. And that person here says, this man, you never still tire. No, that's why they call him Equate. There's a reason why his name is Equate. The Rock. They tire. See, we get to the final conclusion. That's why he doesn't give up. He became a billionaire, not because he quitted, because quitters don't win, and winners don't quit. Well, guys, let's go wrap it up. Let's meet in our conversation. What's your take?